Hi everyone, I am Dr. Kranti Shilpa working as gynec consultant at Care Hospitals, Banjara Hills. Today I will be discussing about most common topic, pelvic pain. Lower abdominal pain is the most commonest gynecological problem we will be seeing in OPD. It is a multifaceted condition which is less often discussed and less often diagnosed. Most of the women who come to OPD will have a lower abdominal pain, chronic lower abdominal pain which is present throughout the month, not related to periods, sometimes getting aggravated while passing urine, or with sexual intercourse pain may be more. So consistently there will be a lower abdominal pain, dull aching pain throughout the month. First we will see the structures which are there in the lower part of the abdomen. First you will see bladder along with the urethra. Just below the bladder and urethra you will see the uterus, tubes, ovaries, vagina. Below that you will see the intestines, that is bowels. Below that you will see the spine which is with nerves. So any problem, any infection or inflammation to these structures will have a constant lower abdominal pain. So what are the most commonest causes of lower abdominal pain? Most common may be gynecological causes. Other non-gynecological causes may also be there. So gynecological causes may be uterine fibroids, adenomyosis, endometriosis, polycystic ovaries, or sometimes ovarian cyst may be there which may undergo torsion, or vaginismus, or simple hormone imbalance which may cause like dryness of the vagina may also cause severe lower abdominal pain. So other non-gynecological causes may be simple urinary tract infection or constipation, that is difficulty in passage of motion, or vertebral compression causing nerve entrapment may also causes a severe lower abdominal pain, which is with pain radiating to the leg. So whenever a woman have a lower abdominal pain, it is better to meet a gynecologist, as gynecological problems are most common. At the most they will take detailed history. After that they will examine you, and at the most they may do some blood test and one urine test to rule out urinary tract infection, and one ultrasound abdomen pelvis to see where the problem is, whether it is a gynecological or non-gynecological cause. If it is a non-gynecological cause, he or she may refer to a doctor who is appropriate to treat the particular disease. So one good thing is that women should not suffer with pain, as we have various types of painkillers have been available in our industry nowadays. So no woman should suffer. So we'll consider as chronic pelvic pain when there is lower abdominal pain persisting for more than 6 months. We consider it as a chronic lower abdominal pain. There are certain warning signs with lower abdominal pain. If anyone has a vomiting, severe lower abdominal pain with fever, appendicitis has to be ruled out. It is an emergency condition that we will call it as a red flag sign. You need to meet a doctor in emergency. Thank you.